Hi guys, welcome to another weekly vlog. It's your favoriteest girl ZOESHAAA. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I vlog here about everything. If you're a returning resident, welcome and happy Sunday. Happy start to another weekly vlog. Listen, before I get started, I want to say this, okay? To all of y'all that were in my comments recently about, oh, these vlogs are old. Be grateful for the content that you guys are getting, okay? I am not the only YouTuber out there that posts old content. Takes a while to upload sometimes. Y'all be forgetting that we are humans. I am a human being. Meaning I bleed the same just like you. I have issues going on in my personal life just like you. I may not be able to handle them like I used to before. Just like you, okay? So have a little grace for people because you don't know what they're going through. You don't know the issues that are transpiring in their personal lives, day-to-day lives, whatever the case. Y'all don't know. Okay, this is not my 9 to 5. I also have one and I still consider you guys on a regular day basis by picking up my camera and trying to create content. Yes, I know for the last year or two, I have delayed posting my content. Clearly something has transpired, right? Clearly, for there to be a change. For those of you who appreciate the time and the effort that I still take into my YouTube channel, I appreciate you and I love you. Even those that don't appreciate it, I still appreciate and I still love you. A view is a view, a win is a win, okay? Now, anyways, as I was saying, we are here today. It is Sunday. I am about to try to do something with this wig. This company sent me this hair and then want me to take one picture in it. I think I finally got it down. It's hella tight, but I think I finally got it down where I want it. But no, I just need to cut the bang. I need to cut the bang and try to do a little thing with it. So it's a thing. Y'all, I never liked these type of bangs on me, but I love a bob. So I'm gonna try and see what I can do. Let me plug in my flat iron in the meantime. But anyways, y'all come do my hair with me. Today we are going to see Teejay. No, how this is gonna work. We have work come on in. But we're gonna go see Teejay. It's Father's Day today. Happy Father's Day. Okay? Like y'all posting on a video that about Easter. And it's June, and I posted the video of Easter. Like, Easter wasn't at the end of March. Y'all making it seem like I'm posting content from Easter last year. Like, my God. Beat me. Oh my, while I'm grieving too. True, I don't even know what I'm going. But anyways, plug in my flat iron. I'm gonna click them there. Okay. Like, oh my. Shout out all my supporters in the comment section, like holding me down because what? What did I do to deserve this? Mighty God, Danielle. This wig is actually cute. If it works, I might just wear it tonight instead of doing my hair in a ponytail like I wanted to. Yeah, but you wet. Okay. Yeah, these are way too long for my likings. I kind of want to straighten them out first. Raw, battery dead. I'll go change the battery and come back, people. 1 second. Back in the middle. So this is what we're looking like right now, y'all. Hold on, let me try to figure this out. Okay, this is where we are right now, but I think I can still go a little bit higher. right, guys, I think this is good. Whew, okay. Let's see. Dun 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 dun. Let's see what we're working with, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, this is perfect. I don't want it too long. Still want to be able to see. Shoot, I forgot to buy a heat protectant. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yeah. All right, let me flat iron the rest and see what we look like. See if I like it. Because I swear to you, if I like it, baby, I'm wearing it tonight. If I just gotta throw this on. Oh. People, me don't know what me do the first time, but this now, yeah, I'm not even done and I'm already just like, Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Watch magic. What? I was about to give this wig away. You know who was supposed to get a wig, yeah? Change my mind. Me buy you one, my love. Although I never want it still, cause banging at it, so better. Oh my god. Y'all, I freaking. You know how long I've had this wig? Oh god. You know, long I have the wig put down because I said I put the wig for my head, people, and I feel like it's because of the bangs that made me turn off from the wig. Cause as I said, like the little China bang. This hairstyle used to be so popular in high school, like the Chinese bangs, and I remember I tried it one time. I don't know if the installation just never do good or what, but y'all, I'll never forget how much I could not, how I couldn't wait to take that hair out of my head. And my hair's not even braided down because I was like, I'm just flinging this on and taking my picture. Like, oh my god, I gotta do my makeup and take this picture. Like, are you dumb? Braid my hair down proper. When does you want to take the wig off of my head? Come feel like you're not gonna look the same. But if this can do, like the cutting of the bang makes such a difference. Not that I didn't know that I needed to cut it before, but wow. I was looking at the reviews from the other people that bought the wig, and I was just like, did we all get the same hair? I'm not experiencing what y'all are experiencing. Y'all. Alright, next side. I love a good hair day. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, I hope to God. Well, will this video be up before I go to Jamaica? I don't know. I leave in a few weeks, so I don't know. But I'm so confused as to what to do to my hair. Like, for the funeral, I know how I want to look. And the look that I want is a half up, half down, right? But I arrived like basically a week before the funeral. And then I'm gonna be there for a whole week after. So I know the half up, half down is not gonna work for me. Based on what I'm hearing, like it's super hot out there. I'm not gonna want the air come back and I'm something there. So what I was thinking is to do the boho braids, right? Again, like how I did it for Mexico. That way I have the option if I want to wear my hair down, I can wear my hair down. And if I want it to be up, like I can easily put that up in a bun, or I can do my half up, half down with the boho, right? And I can still have curly hair and look cute and girly, you know? But I don't want to have to deal with any maintenance. Y'all know this about me by now. Like, I don't want to have to deal with any hair maintenance on any trips. It's annoying. I can't be bothered to recomb. The only thing I want to do is my edges, and even then, I don't want to deal with that shit. Like, I don't care when I'm on vacation. Like, if it's not for a picture, baby, I don't care. As long as my outfit is cute and the majority of my hair is cute, I'm cool. Because I want to be by the beach. I want to be in the pool anyways. So, like, I don't care. I'm not one of those girlies. Sorry. So yeah, comment down below, guys. Let me know based on my reasonings. What do y'all think? Should I do the half up, half down, or should I just do the boho braids? And if I do the boho braids, I either want to do them longer than I did the last time. I'll insert a picture. Longer than I did the last time, or in a bob form. But the only issue with the bob form now, it's a short, so I'm not gonna really have the long down tropical vibe of what I really want. But it would still look so cute and so girly. I don't know, y'all. But I am leaning more so on the side of boho braids. It's just screaming more practicality to me. It might take longer, but even when I come back, I still can't keep it in my ear for a good month or so if I want to. I'm not keep it in for so long this time though, because the last time, y'all, it was hell to take out. And I promise you, I took out so much of my hair with it. Like, I think that hairstyle made me lose a lot of my edges. Like, I don't have edges. I don't have edges right now. Oh my gosh. Canada. The struggle is so real. Anyways, people, baby's in the kitchen. Working on Sunday dinner. Not too early, but early enough. I need to go into my lab and finish up. It's gonna be Sandy's son's birthday. So I need to send off his package with his birthday stuff. She asked me to do some shirts. And some gable boxes. He is having a too fast birthday party. And Sandy, she's so like, Zoe, you do not have to do this. And I'm just like, no, I have to. Like, one thing about me, y'all, And I said this and I'll say this again. When I need to, not even when I need to, but one thing about me, I'm gonna show up. Like if you're having something, I'm gonna try to be there. If I can't be there, I'm gonna send something so that my presence is felt. Like, and I do event stuff, so the least thing that I can do is send over a box full of custom treats or gift bags, like custom whatever. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, let me contribute. Not yet. Let me contribute to the party. And you're done already? Wow. Yeah, I know, but still. Oh, dinner is done, y'all. No, y'all, I'm wearing this fucking wig. Like, are you kidding me? This looks so freaking good. Like, whoa. I was gonna get this away. So sometimes if shut your mouth, little girl. If shut your little mouth. You're too giving, man. You're so jumpy. Yeah, that's my problem, you know, I'm too jumpy. Like, sometimes when I really and truly can't bother, I'm just like, hey, listen, try to be can't bother, go on to this, go on to that, without even fully thinking. And then sometimes I'll come back later and I'll be like, I made a very hasty decision. Can I retrace or retract my steps? Can I retake my speech? That's why in life I learned to sit down with my thoughts before I talk. Take my little space because I won't. No, I'm not lie, people. This is buzzy. Like, tell me I'm freaking lying. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Oh. This is nice. This is nice. When me do my face and everything, I'm have my lash and everything. Yeah, them time let me take the picture for the people them. This is nice. Let me go find out the name of the people that must send me the ear so I can go support them. Come and not even remember what them telling me for though. I just know so them tell me to take one picture. And yeah, wow. Hey guys. Azadale. No, I love it. And it's gonna go so good with my outfit. Because my woo! Do a ponytail wear. I'm gonna braid back my ear properly. But this here is from but no, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. It's an Amazon hair company, so yeah, I think it was like 80 bucks if I'm not mistaken. 80 bucks Canadian, so that's like 50 something US. 12 inch or 14? 12 inch. I wear my flat comb to the top. Y'all, when wanna see me tonight? Drift. Okay, bye.
She love black man. She love black man. Black man. She love black man. She love black man. Run to the agency, get some street vibes. Run from that, could get some sleep. Run out of plastic. Somebody get eyes, not nice. Get the wine, the red, the go over, proof the tonic wine. Alright, wait for a second, models over here. Never from my girl. They up here, models over here. I'm poverty, I know I'm better from my girl. G, models over here, models over here. That's the end of the fucking beat. Models over here. You know the place of the models over here.
Boogie, jiggy, baby, boogie. I saw the time them from gigs, boogie, make them. Everybody shake it, really, cause you must have it, baby, be a boxing chick.
Push up the phone line in the sky.
Let's go.
DJ ask everybody in Toronto right now, put your phone lights in the sky. Everybody take out your phone light right now, push it in the sky.
Yeah, man, Father's Day, I go celebrate for Father's Day.
Father's Day,
I want to be a good father and I can't see me. I want to be a youth to take care of them. You would see me over there and I celebrate life. You understand? One more time, we're outside. Brandon, what you say?
Protect me from all of them. Why you think me build more now? So me don't need nobody other again. People when me call my friend want to see me gone. Father please, if me ever fall, because if you me up and God remember walk again. Need to do them nothing at all. Turn to me day. Father please, make them me know who are really me friends and the foes. Need to pretend that tomorrow. This is the evil in them and the show. Father please, give me guidance. For me in the street on the road. Father God, let come here, you a friend, make a reason up. Me have something more. Why I feel like nobody don't love me? Really leave a place I would have run away. Better me go a space just cause some of them hear you say something. Just some boy can never twice on me drink. And if me not rate, I me never run up. Come in do all the bolo. If me can't buy a thing, much less see my drink. Never grew up in. Come in bad as a soul. Ready. And me no fright, no fit. Just like me in the streets and me youth at night. Man, they're in my no fit me. Come in up. Alright then, they never tell you before, so they shall bust fight. All by yourself, they can't so down, bust up for me now. Who don't want to see now? I should be seeing on me, oh, and on me.
I do the same on me own. So no boy can't stand me. Put it on me. Show me fuck up at the party. That's what if you make me parry down. I do the same on me own. Up top. Level Brandon. Pick up the youth them in Toronto. We have made the money same way and I take care of our family in my yard. After we come a foreign, we never mix up in a fuck rate. Allow me to tell, because why? I'm not afraid of feeling. That's time to me think. I mean not just some boy can live. And if me no rate, I mean not run your people, me no want me no live. Cause me know if you will love. If me can't buy a split, much less he buy a drink. Never grow if he will go. Cause me born as a tough. Turn up the blood clots out. We don't frighten of the people now. Just like me in the street and me yours. Mother can be buying it to me. Have you know? We never. Nothing not talk when no shit woman no brother, but it's my reality. Yo, get a young. Don't know what see we no go check. What we live the life like we no more the shit. Tell us the reality. Send us a phone me. I yes in the shit come get this thing on it. Alright, so me can't do it with me a profit. Me never fight a war in a life what loves him. G like you bad mind that's good. Walk one. I can just not keep up on me neck. I must see that make a dig up it. Million a week and that shit here man. What am I walk with? Can't hold it, no wallet.
Some boys like cigarettes.
Some pussy now wish greatness for you. All I know is your riches and blessings in a life. Put up your hand and sing say, we not worry about no.
As long as we got life, I'm doing okay, doing alright. How are you? I am fine.
Big up you say where you come from no. Man can't tell you more.
I'm doing okay, doing alright. How are you? I am fine.
Nah, if I wear the same clothes every 2 weeks. People smash my them know the youth sleep. J-Dance to mine, so the youth game. And I see man a star, bring out a short fade. Couldn't wear fair size, because from my show straight. Now some man prof them say one say you great. Big up in your man, you never see you in this studio. Don't know she's all there. All I get, just to this, just to this. Just you to see me out, up to me this. Don't know what they got to come and lock them bitches. That boy can't chill me and chat from my life is like two pretty girls said, happy me to not say them. One link up and go back to the crib. Me and Gina and Gabe, on a chance to the king man of the world. Some boy they even lock with them. The monks love me now and I tell them good. Don't see them and me and I say them good. Don't see them and I say them diss me. Don't see them and I say them should.
No.
I'm not just girl for to sleep or yard. If I feel like I can't be
suck me on.
man I feel dead for man bad. Like you see I said before me gone.
I tell us that we not worry about nothing.
Louder!
As long as me got life, I'm doing okay, we're doing alright. How are you? I am fine. Big up the youths them where I come from, nothing. Man can tell about hard life. I'm doing okay, doing alright. How are you? I am fine.
I tell us that we not work for.
Jeez.
As long as we got, I'm doing okay. Big up you somewhere I come from, no. Man can't tell about life. I'm doing okay, doing alright. How are you?
I am fine.
For my ladies, my babies, do what you want to do. Make for this, get your body exquisite. Love it when you take me this, push it up in your belly like you love me this. Remember the age
me. I say your pussy feel good, you say yes, it is. You know, give me instructions, you make me itch. Yeah. Stimulate your body, fuck a tongue. So say push it in, do not come. So me wanna hear, walk us for the gun. She said beg you please, do not come. When you beg your man,
Baby, you want to.
and every time I fuck.
Baby, you want to.
Wind up now you're holding, now you're somewhere when me sink it in. Grip me on my back, hey, baby girl, and then I quit it in. Down in your belly, say you feel every single thing. Nah, you're the pussy good night. Nah, I'm in because baby spread your legs for you. Hey, see it, baby, the red for your love. We must start to this man. Spin it your body, fuck her come down. She said push it in, do not come.
Hey guys, it's after the party. Ooh. I need to get used to this camera, but yeah, it's after the party. We're outside, almost getting ready to go home. Yeah, everybody looks like they're going to the after party. The after party for me is in my bed. Under my eyes, really, I don't know, too much concealer, but outfit. And my new bag from Temu. Oh yeah, hold on, let me lock it, show you guys. So freaking cute. Like perfect pink, came right on time. Outfit Shein. Little things what I have in my closet, what I find and I fling together. Come and say, oh, I not spend no money. I forgot Jamaica in 2 weeks. I not spend no money. I have to go in 2 weeks and spend 2 weeks there. So no money, yeah. But yeah, I had a time. Babe, did you like the show? Come talk to them. Just come talk to them quick now. Put them this. They're not gonna see, babe. Just come talk to them. Babe, come on now. Don't shame me. Just come, just say how you like the show. Come, just say how you like the show. Come on. No, come, just. No, babe. Just come really quick, my babe. No, you can't say anything. I promise you. I swear to you. You can't say anything. Look before. I won't even post it.
No, it was a good show. It was a great show. Like,
babe,
over.
just come to the fucking camera, man. Okay, talk to me. Talk to me. No, but come in the camera, but talk to me. Like, talk to me so you don't have to look at them. Just talk to me. Like, face, just like how you're facing me right now, just face me. Yeah, but come in the camera. Just come in the camera. Why you can't come in the camera? Murder. Okay, how did you like the show, babe? I hope you guys can hear him.
I don't people I'm kind of got about God, when Teejay forward just away,
Yeah, when Teejay came over, guys, he went to the bathroom, so he missed the whole excitement.
I just remember something like the excitement.
He missed the whole excitement.
You know? Yeah, I said it to you. Yeah, nothing there and see it burn the life with you. You know? Good artist, man. Great performer.
Yeah, really, really good, guys. Really, really good.
Natural talent, voice, and everything.
If you were here, you had a time, I'm sure.
Everything. Good performance. Over, you know. Big hands.
Yeah,
guys.
guys.
Back clips, I'm going live, people, so. You know?
Yeah.
Belly, I hurt my people. Stop laughing. Yeah.
So why you keep saying it then if you don't want to talk about it? Yes?
No, I know something say something. If you find out something with a show, yeah, kind of redeem me in a way.
Oh, it show you that people can come together and just have a party.
Yeah,
But you went to Mint.
No shoot, no go on.
But you went to Mint last year and nothing happened. But when we went to Mint last year, nothing never happened.
We dance, we talk about stage show.
Oh.
The first stage show experience of come We'll fly come Canada.
Yeah, this one.
No, Kingston Fest.
Big riot go on, brother.
Kingston Fest.
Yeah. And then Mike now, the man mash up the VIP, fuck down VIP, down that.
Yo, it was a mess.
Get fucked up sometimes.
Yeah, bro.
It happened.
Yo, the mics were working. The artists were coming on. There was no Kingston Fest. Like Downsview Park.
This was a good vibe.
Girl.
It wasn't long, but it was good enough.
Shensia performed, couldn't hear her. Skinny Red performed, couldn't hear him. Popcorn performed, couldn't hear him.
Chronicler performed early.
Chronicler was the only person that performed that we heard.
early.
In VIP. How was there a stampede in VIP? Yeah, we ended up in VIP. We didn't pay for VIP, but we ended up in there.
You know, so the man kicked down the VIP, everything mashed down. One section for everybody. I say, I saw the man move at Toronto that while.
Yes.
Yo, that's I'm just forward, you know. I mean, I say, yeah, you know, and I expect that kind of vibe.
Yeah. Anyways, y'all. Bye. Hey guys, and welcome to Monday. Y'all, I didn't even get the opportunity to come and talk to y'all yesterday to let y'all know what happened after we got home, but we got home. Y'all, don't mind Babe's clothes folded up there, okay? But yeah, we got home. I don't remember, but I know I went to bed around 3. Okay? I gotta be up for work at 6:45, 7 o'clock, okay? So yeah, y'all, I was bucking this morning. I was contemplating, do I get out of bed and go to work or do I call in today? But baby, vacay is not even vacation, but vacation, I'm getting on the plane. So, ow, my knee is hurting me. Yeah, anyways, we move. We're here. I was just about to sleep. Like, I was literally in my bed and I was like, you know what, girl? Go to sleep. You deserve it. You are tired. But I have Kyle's, y'all probably don't really know who Kyle is, but Sandy has a son named Kyle. He's turning 2, and I promised, well, I usually do stuff for the kid's birthday. So like I'll send a package of like custom stuff. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me work on Amelia's birthday stuff before, but yeah, it's Kyle's birthday now, so he is turning 2 and he's having like a too fast race car themed birthday. I wanted to do a lot more, but my budget is tight now because of this, and I hate when I have to sacrifice things for the kids in my life. But yeah, normally like my boxes are big. Whenever I send for the kids, like my boxes are big. Like they know when Auntie Zoe sends stuff for them, okay? But anyways, I'm currently working on their family shirts. So mom, dad, sister, and birthday boy. So that's currently what I'm working on right now. I just brought the t-shirts to confirm the sizing, and then I'm gonna send these to print, and hopefully, I don't know, maybe I can finish all these tonight. I'm supposed to be doing some gable boxes for her, right? When I'm working on them, I'll show you guys in case you guys don't know what gable boxes are, but basically like gift boxes for her to put like the favors and stuff in. Y'all, I had some left over from our previous order, and I was like, she only needs 10 of each item, and I was like, all right, cool, I should have 10. Just counted today when I was ready to go and start working. I only have 5 mother freaking boxes. The package that I got before was only 25, and the order before was 20. Only have 5. It's a good thing I looked, and like I have Prime, so I can get that. I did want to ship out for order tomorrow anyway, so when that comes, I will just go to the post office in the evening after I come home, finish up everything, go to the post office, ship it off so that it can be over there. It doesn't take that long to get to Florida. It's just kind of costly sometimes. I hate waiting till last minute, and I started working on everything. Everything was basically done, but then this death happened and just threw me off. But anything for my baby. So Kylie, your order is coming. Auntie is working on it right now. As I said, yeah, the birthday party is next week. I think Saturday. Yeah, I think it's Saturday. So I have more than enough time, and who I'm gonna ship it with, they do ship on weekends as well, so we'll be good.
Yeah. What else was I gonna say? I also had some coloring books to do. I want to do some. Oh shoot! I was at Dollar Tree today and I forgot to look at the cars. I want to, but Sunny said she did buy cars. I want to add some other treats. Like I just don't feel right just sending this. It's not a cute package, but I'll make it up to him. Halloween is coming up. They have to get their next gifts anyways. Like I do seasonal gifts for my kitties as well. So I never thought about including, as bad as it sounds, just because I was just like I never thought about including. I always do it for my local kids, but since Easter, yeah, I started including my long distance kids. So Kai, Amelia, and Mikhail are all included in the treats as well. So next up is Thanksgiving. They won't be here for Family Fun Day to get in those festivities, but Thanksgiving, I mean not Thanksgiving, Halloween, their stuff will be sent out to them. So yeah, that was a lot, but yeah, what else? So yeah, I went to work today, came home, stopped at Dollar Tree. I needed to look for some stuff for Jamaica. I need to find some items, and I also got some items for my office because I'm trying to reorganize the place and keep the place as organized as possible so I can work in a easier. Yeah, now I'm home. Gonna work on these shirts. I'm about to send something to the printer for his crayon boxes and work on those. I can do the boxes. What else? You know, my allergy. There's so much wrong with me right now, and I don't know. Y'all pray for me. Anyways, yeah, I'll figure it out. I do want to add something else to it, just, you know, I don't know what though. I don't know what yet though. Anyways, y'all, let me finish. When I'm assembling, I'll come back and yeah, we can do that together. But I just wanted to pop in and say hi. I want to at least try to pop in every day this week so you guys get a good length of a vlog. I just posted a vlog yesterday and everybody's cursing me out because it was only 8 minutes long, but if you guys watched the public service announcement, you would have known that my camera broke. So we have a new one, so we are back. I do need to edit. I do have a vlog that I can edit and put up, and it's not old, so I don't have to hear anybody complain. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work, guys. I'll be back. Battery's dead anyway, so that's my cue. Bye. Y'all, I'm home. Thank you, Father God. I'm home. It's Wednesday, y'all. I could not come here yesterday. So much. I have a little throat issue right now. I don't know what's happening with my throat, but I'm having a really hard time swallowing. Like it feels like there's a huge ball in there. I don't know. It said something about, I don't know, but if I wake up and it's still here, I'm going to the hospital tomorrow or the doctor because we leave in 10 days. And I can't be going away and sick. Aside from that, my knee has been killing me. I don't know if I explained that before, but my knee has been killing me. I have to wrap it every day for hours at a time, or else I'm going to be struggling to walk. I also did want to say, see, even screaming hurts. Screaming hurts. I hope it's just a swollen lymph node. Oh. No, it's still there. Yeah, anyways, so yeah, that's that. That's that. Yeah, couldn't come back yesterday, y'all. Today, oh my god, I'm wondering why I'm so freaking hot in the place. Y'all, it's so freaking hot in Canada. Like, we're on an extreme heat alert. Like, y'all, it's so freaking hot in Canada. But anyways, I just came through the door. I'm about to start my extracurricular activities and then head over to my desk and finish my work that I need to do, y'all. My editing program was down for maintenance, so that took down like days that I need to finish Sandy's order. So I'm more than likely gonna have to rush it now, but normally within like a week or so they get it, so I'm still good for time. And then what? Yeah, anyways, when I figure something else out, I will come back to y'all, because y'all, like, this is how I came home today. Come back on talk to no year. Yeah, because I'm just hot and I'm frustrated. Like, I want to go in the shop. I want to go be. Oh my god. Anyways, I'll be back. Okay, I hope you guys are having an amazing week. And yeah, it's been a day. It's been a day.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need.
Morning, y'all. It's Friday, June the 21st, and I'm here about to make a charcuterie board for one of my friends. I need to go to the doctor, so I need to leave here in like 30 minutes. But yeah, I'm about to make a charcuterie board for my friend. She's having a birthday party today, and she wants one. So let's try and make one of these. I've never had to make one before. So yeah, I think I bought way too much stuff, but here we go. I'm gonna be using these two boards. Yeah, okay, let's just get into this. My throat is still hurting me, y'all, but let me move. crying. She's such a crybaby.
Zyrel Kate Galasa.
Such a crybaby. Any other little girl invite me to anything ever again, I'm not coming out. Make me hope you know so I'm not coming again, ever. Anyways, that's my graduate. My graduate. I don't know why she's hiding her face. Like she doesn't have sense. Move your hand. Huh? Anyways, guys. Grad is over. I don't know how I'm still able to record and I don't have no battery on.
Your hats are yours to keep. Please return it now, and if you don't want to return it today, you can bring it back Monday.
Anyways, I'm gonna go take pictures now. Grad's over, thank God. I'm hungry, I'm a thirsty lad. So yeah. I'm so annoyed. Here, add to your collection. Congratulations! You got it?
One more. This one?
Can I have your picture?
It's fine?
No. Yo, my pitney graduates. She graduates upon her. She graduates.
You know she didn't like her graduation.
It's right there. Oh God. Yo, I recorded something before. Ask me where it went.
Well, you have a graduate.
I know. I'll tell you guys about it on the way back to the car, but tell me where.
Oh, you
I
got
don't
battery?
understand what this. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this camera. It better not act up, eh? You better not act up. That's all I know. Oh, anyways, soon come. I don't know why this thing keeps turning off. Anyways, I was saying. We were late for grad because I originally was told it started at 7. At like 5 something, my goddaughter's mom called me and was like, graduation is at 6, not 7. Y'all, I was naked, just about to go get ready. I just had to quickly tidy up myself, wipe on my front, and put on a little half makeup, thank God for the little bang wig, and go on about my business. So made it around like 6:07 or whatever, and like y'all, we were late. Like everybody was already there, everything. Like I was like, oh, 7 minutes, we won't be too bad. Late. Anyways, made it, showed up for her. There was one girl here. None of her parents were here. One of my goddaughter's friends. Like none of her parents were here. I was so sad for her because I was just like, she looked so sad. They came like around 7:30. And I was just like, whoa, like she done got her diploma, name call, everything. Like there's nobody there to cheer for her. So y'all show up for your kids, okay? Show up for your freaking kids. But anyways, I'm going to pick up a package from my mom because my funeral clothes came. So I need to go pick up that package and also a suitcase. And then I'm thirsty as hell. So I'll pick up something and go. But this is what I look like. Super cute and everything. Congratulations again to my baby girl, my oldest goddaughter, my oldest child, basically. Like y'all, I literally have been with Autumn from the day she was born. I was just saying, like, I remember the drive up to the hospital that wintry day, that wintry night actually, like when her mom was in labor, and like I've been in love with her ever since, except for as of recent because she have too much damn attitude and she chat back, but I still love her, you know, like that's my baby. Like I've literally been there throughout all the stages of her life and seen everything. Like they were talking about the trips that she went on and I was like, oh my God, like I chaperoned some of those trips, you know what I mean? Like very involved. Like if there's one thing when it comes to my god babies, like I try to be as involved as I am, like, and that's why I hate so much about my long distance babies, because I just feel like I hate phone. I can't do that. Like I need to be present. I need to be like, listen, they're coming over this weekend, I'm having them, like
you know, like school, I'm there. Any birthday, I'm there. But I'm there in spirit, and I still do what I can do. But I love all my god babies, and I'm so proud of Autumn. Super, super proud of you. I know you're gonna watch this. Yeah, why are you in my business? Like, are you not going home? Yes, I am. Go on in your yard. Bye, Autumn. Anyways, I'm out. But yeah, super, 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 super proud. Super proud. I feel like a super proud mom. I know how you all feel now. Oh, my baby's at graduation, going to high school. 4 years, I'll be back. See you guys later. Bye. Anyways, guys, I made it to my mom's. I'm gonna pick up a suitcase and, as I said, my package. So let's go get that. I'm back. I'm home. Home, y'all. As I told y'all, I went and I got a suitcase from mom because I need another one. Y'all, I can't wait till Sunday comes and passes and I can cut my nails off because they're irritating me, and the only reason I'm keeping them on is because I don't feel like I need to spend any money to fix them, and I'm about to really honestly really and truly take them off. Like, but whatever, we move. So let's do a haul. Okay, I picked up some juice because we need juice in the house. We always have to have a soda and a juice, some sort of, but we love lemonade in this house. So variations of flavors: mango, peach, raspberry, original. Always gonna have that. And then, yeah, cream soda was the pick for today. But I noticed that with my throat thingy, that's what I was trying to tell y'all before the camera did whatever it did and cut off. I have a throat infection, tonsillitis, so that's why my throat was messing up. And I tried to submit my prescription online, and they called me and they were like, we can't read it. So I literally just had to go drop off the prescription and go back and pick it up in maybe 30 minutes because my throat, I don't know, I feel like when I wake up in the morning time, like after hours and hours of rest, like it's not so bad. But you see, throughout the day, if I have to talk, oh my god. Anyways, right now, yeah, I'm struggling. But yeah, picked up some juice. Hold on, let me put it in the fridge. I'll be right back. All right. Now, when I go to my mama's, as y'all know, I get goodies. So this is my bag for today. She knows that Family Fun Day is coming up, y'all. I am doing Family Fun Day again this year, God willing. But so she already started picking up some barbecue sauce for me. So I have 4 in here. That's original. I have, this is my favorite one, chicken and rib, also garlic and the brown sugar. Hickory, not so much, but we mix and we move. Why she give me 2 hickories? And I told her I hate hickory. Anyways, she gave me some Kraft macaroni and cheese in a cup. I think I'm gonna bring these to Jamaica. Merry Christmas mini holiday sugar cookies. Yeah, Kiana will love this. Ooh, I'll bring that to Jamaica. Pasta sauce, because I always am making pastas or saucy things. And 3-pack of popcorn. So that's my little haul from my mama. I'll start get back things because she like me again. Remember I told y'all she wasn't talking to me. She's talking to me now. There's the update. There's the update. Worst thing I got Jamaica, she was so like, yes, take the suitcase, just bring it back with things. Like she'll give me money for go down there. Like she'll give me money for God Jamaica. Anyways, the most important thing
came today, which was the funeral stuff. And this is just partial because I need to get some decoration stuff now. I just want to shout out my friends though, like, because they've all like contributed to the cause, and like I wasn't expecting that. You know what I mean? Like, you know, it's your issue, it's whatever, but like no, they were all just like, no, we have to donate to the cause. So shout out my friends, y'all know who you are. Love no like food. Love no bad. Yeah. So yeah, this is the funeral stuff, courtesy of Shine. And all we bought were bottoms because we are getting personalized tops made for the funeral. So all of our shirts and everything are already made. We just need the bottoms. And my sister asked me to get shoes for her. And yeah. So I think this is me. No. This is Kadia. Let me see if it will fit me. If it will fit, if it doesn't fit me, it will fit her. And if it fits me, it will fit her. Okay. Oh, so cute. Hold on, I have to send her a picture. Ooh, Ken, I don't mind the mirror, okay? But the pants are so... I'm sorry, I have to try them on just to make sure that they fit. They're so cute. This is gonna be nice. Okay. We were worried, well, I was worried that Kiana's pants wouldn't fit. But this fits. So when Shein says no stretch or moderate, their stretch. Buy your size, okay? It's a trick. Buy your size. You know how much things I went up to in how much X's I'm gonna have it. Alright, so those are case pants. Oh, these are my shoes. So these are Kiana's shoes as well. Yeah, this looks like Kiana. I don't know why she loves these things. But yeah, these are her shoes. I should have got her a bow. Yeah, they're about way too big for me, my love. But she'll manage this. I've been trying everything for everybody. Since we're on shoes, these are the shoes that I got. A little kitten. Oh yes. Oh yeah. So yeah, I love these. Okay. This is Angie's purse. Yeah. You know, sure. So them come. Right, and lastly, me. I didn't go the pants route. I went with a skirt. So just a cute little pleated asymmetrical skirt with my cute little top. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. With my shoes. Yeah, I'm gonna keep all the funeral gear in their bags. because we have to travel for the funeral, so it'll just be easier to know what's what and what's. So yeah, that is it for today. On the rest of the stuff come, I will show you guys. Oh, look how I went to the freaking mall today, and I said I wanted to go to the hair store and look for the hair. I'm gonna look for the ear, I don't know. Anyhow, that's gonna be it for Friday, y'all. Graduation was great. As I said, just went and filled my prescription, so when it's done they will call me and I will go and pick that up and start taking my medication. I'm just gonna relax. I think I'm actually gonna edit a video and see if I can try to get something up for Sunday and then start working on my next one, because I'm trying to be consistent. I don't want the weeks to end and at least one video doesn't go up. So because people are batting me up on the internet. I don't know if I said this before. People are already batting me up on the internet, talking about how I should give up YouTube and all my vlogs are old. And if you're not a supporter, just say that. Shout out to my supporters that are in there defending me. We ride at dawn and dusk. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna wind down for tonight, y'all. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I must say, this summer is feeling a lot 2016-ish. Like, it's been a long time since I've had things to do, and I'm not mad at it. Like, I'm not mad at it. I did tell myself this summer, like, I'm not staying inside. Like, not every no, absolutely not. Like, I need to make my time worthwhile. Worse, yeah, I can't. Life is way too short. I can't not do stuff with myself. You know what I mean? Because now when I look back, I'm just like, yeah, it's all that memories that we have. And today makes 3 weeks since my most recent loss. Anyways, I'm gonna go do what I need to do. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, or if anything more interesting happens. But yeah, bye. You know, chicken by the end of it. Does she have barbecue sauce?
Yeah, Diana sauce and things.
Okay. Another day, another barbecue.
So you want to put it in a bowl instead?
Hey y'all, welcome to Saturday. I am currently at, as I think I previously caught, but I'm currently at one of my good friends, Kamisha. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen her here on this channel before. Yeah, I'm not lying, but like my makeup application, baby, as of recently, like eating. Before I used to struggle to like get my under eyes to be brighter, but like now, who can talk to me? I just need to like figure out some like eyeshadow, and baby, like I think I got it now. Like it's just a matter of playing around with different types of products and stuff like that, like in terms of different types of foundations, to really and truly like see what works better for me and like taking it from there. But baby, just seen somebody women like. Anyways, yeah, I am in the car right now about to do some grown-up activities. I just wanted to take a break from all the excitement. Today is the start of the funeral preparations for the individual that passed away, and I still don't think I have said anything yet, but do I say something? Like, y'all, it still feels so surreal, and I have not received my updates yet on anything that's happening from this morning. The last thing I heard is that a lot of people were there now and the grave was being dug and all of that kind of stuff. But yeah. Anyways, I'm wearing the shirt for today because I'm obviously not there, but I'm there in spirit. So yeah, I just want to throw that out there. But if you guys see it, just don't say anything in the comments like, oh my God, Zoe, I can't believe. Y'all, I'm having a very hard time handling it. Like wearing the shirt today, so many people, and I didn't realize so many people would have like said something because I didn't wear it for that. I just wore it because I know what's going on in Jamaica right now and I want to be there. I want to be a part of the festivities as much as possible. So like I said, if everybody's wearing their shirt that day, I'm wearing my shirt in Canada that day as well. So that's the main reason why I have it on today. And it's a good thing I did wear it because it's hella freaking cold where we are right now. Like it's been raining all day. It's super cold, which is shocking because this week we had extreme weather alerts all week long. Like extreme heat all week long. So I don't understand. It's like anytime the weekend comes around, like when we have like amazing weather in the weekend will roll around and it'll be cold as hell. Like they don't want us to enjoy our time, but whatever. Anyways, we move. So yeah, my friend's birthday, she got this Airbnb out in, where am I? Georgetown, Halton Hills area. If you're from Ontario, Toronto to be exact, it's a little bit, it's like 40 minutes out of Toronto, out west. And yeah, so she's having a pool party today. I'll try to get some clips and stuff. The DJ is so freaking hilarious. Like I love a good interactive DJ and he's so funny. Like love that. And yeah, but I'm in here because again, as I said, I was just starting to feel away. I was just starting to feel away, and just needed to take a little break, a little breather from the excitement of everything that's transpiring right now, and just be one with my thoughts. I feel like I have to meds every day now. Because I can't believe. Anyhow, as I was saying, yeah, so that's happening. I was thinking about it. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna start a new weekly vlog next week or if that's gonna be basically my get ready with me for Jamaica, because it's basically gonna be my get ready with me for Jamaica. So yeah, I think this will be my last weekly vlog for June, and then we get ready for freaking Jamaica. Y'all, I was opening the freaking hamburger package. Why my nail broke? And my nail was so long underneath. So freaking long underneath. Why is my nail freaking broken? Anyhow, I'm just a girl. And I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm gonna see Chris Brown tomorrow. Y'all! I don't know if I said it before. Oh, I got my medication. I started taking my medication last night. The pharmacy called me a little bit after 10 o'clock. And I went and I got my prescription. So I started taking that. It still hurts a lot, but yeah. Like I just have to talk like super normal or like a little less than normal. Anyways, y'all, I am out. Yeah, I'm out. I will talk to you guys a little bit. I'll talk to you guys a little bit later, okay? Love you. Oh, battery's gonna die. Anyways, let me carry you guys in and catch what I can catch, but yeah. Pray for me, y'all.
If you can't hold it for me, please. I'm gonna know all my bangs them reach up so far. You're gonna love the way the wine. If it's not gonna feel my girl fine. Come. What your shirt say? Said dumpy, but she fine, man. Yeah, come dump the next. Another girl gonna have a baby and him. You don't need another. Dump him. What are you guys? Are you? Where? One him. Oh. Hello. Come on. I've been wondering all day. Trying to be fun, but I can't be. Trying to get by, but I'm running. Got me out.